Would you like to be a Jedi? Of course you would. Do you believe you can? Probably not. I want you to grab something like this. I've got a pocket watch because I'm a hypnotist. But it doesn't need to be a pendulum or a watch. It could be a necklace, anything that's got a bit of a swing on it. Once you get that, come back and give this a go. Or watch this video first and then try. My conscious mind, my conscious body, I can of course move my arm and my fingers and make the watch swing. I can make it go this way. My hands and arms are incredible, but I'm deciding and choosing to make my arm move and swing. Of course you know you can do that. Do you think you could make it swing by just thinking about it? Almost like a Jedi. So this is kind of like a bit of self-hypnosis. You're going to talk to your subconscious mind, the bit that's below the surface, that's running all the physical and emotional systems. And take my word for it, I'm going to just imagine the watch swinging left or right. What will happen is muscles and nerves will realize I'm not moving consciously, deliberately, and will almost take over and give me little ideomotor responses, they're called. This is called Chevreul's Pendulum. So I'm just going to imagine that swing left or right. You may see some movements happening, but I'm not making it happen deliberately by moving deliberately. It's just a thought is creating an unconscious response. And try this out for yourself. Amaze your friends and family. And you can see that going left or right because I'm thinking it. Where attention goes, energy flows. I'm going to switch that to, oh, I felt my arm move a little. Towards the camera and away. And imagine it going in a clockwise circle. I felt a little movement happen there. It's unconscious, but I'm consciously directing my subconscious, which is kind of like what hypnosis is. I'm wide awake, but I'm making something happen with a thought. Now you can watch a bit of a video of me with my friend Lauren and getting her to do this, but try it yourself. I was at Decorus Aesthetics for a B12 injection I get from time to time. So we're going to demonstrate Ideomotor Responses. Okay, what's that? It's about your mind can create something physically happening in your body.
Sure.
Mind over matter. So hold that in your hand and just have your thumb and first finger touching that. Perfect. Now, hold it sort of so your arm's a bit more like that. Perfect. So, I want you to just lift it up a little bit. Now, without deliberately swinging it.
Yes.
Now, everybody knows your conscious mind, you can deliberately move your arm and swing that. Not impressive at all. So what I want you to do is just imagine it swinging. So you're asking your unconscious mind to make that swing left or right, as if there's an invisible line beneath that. Just imagine that going left or right. It can take a little minute, but just imagine that starting to happen. And your mind and your body will start recognizing what you're after. Your body and your mind knows that you want that to go left or right, but you're not moving your arm, so it'll start doing the work for you. It'll move a little muscle or a nerve, little micro movements that are happening. Imagine that bigger and bigger. The bigger you imagine it, the bigger it'll swing. And then whenever you want, imagine it going this way towards me and you. It'll change. There'll be a little update happens in your mind. It'll shoot down your arm to your fingertips. And it'll start catching up. It'll start recognizing what you want from it. And your body, it's okay, you can speak and breathe. And go for a circle. Imagine it going around an imaginary circle below that. Imagine that going round and round, round and round. It's trickier doing the circles, especially that bit's in the way. Imagine that bigger and bigger. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Now what's happening there is these little micro movements that you can't see, detect, feel, but your body's doing it for you. Doing all these complex little micro processes that it does run your immune system and your breathing and your blinking, and it's doing that for you. So it's just about getting an intention in your mind and your body will fulfill that. Now what does that mean? It means you can make a watch swing, but it means so many other things in your body too, like relaxing your arm. When you're getting an injection, it means you can tell your body to feel positive. There you go. Make it go left and right. There, it's going well. What do you think?
I think it's incredible every time you get me to do this. I'm like, why am I doing
I
this?
do it every day with people and it amazes me every time. But it's your body doing it, you're just going, this is the outcome we want, and your body fulfills that. So we've got to think about how we talk to ourselves a lot of the time. You have to say the right thing, be your own hypnotist. So if you'd like more cool videos, like and subscribe, learn new things about your mind and your body, make things swing all by themselves, find out how that could actually improve your life in many different ways. Like, subscribe, share, comment, let me know how you're getting on.